Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have this bomb install, and it's a 5x5 wig install. I just wanted to make it look like a frontal, but it is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig from Nadula hair, and their HD closure wigs are actually really good. I always tell my clients to get it from there if it's a closure specifically. Don't quote me on their other wigs, but for closure HD lace wigs, they are the plug because they're really affordable. I bet you get really good quality. And this one, I will put the details in the description down below, but if I'm not mistaken, it's a 5x5 HD in 24 inches and body wave. So nice. It was really easy to install. I wanted it to look like my own hair type of vibe, so not really too perfect of an install, and no baby hairs as well, just to switch it up a little bit. And I really do like how this turned out. It was easy to work with and everything. And if you guys want to purchase this wig, I will put the link in the description down below. So enough of me talking, let's just get right into the video. So I just took off like my other wig, and I'm just letting my forehead breathe a little bit. I literally did some messy, like four or six like really big and flat cornrows when I installed my last wig, so it's still really flat, and I'm gonna use the same like foundation. First, they did send me like a gown, so why not wear it? Let's try it out and see. This is what it looks like. It says Nadula. It's kind of cute. Can't lie. Little silk situation. So I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna try to like show you guys what it looks like. Not bad. Oh, is there no string? Okay. Maybe I should have added this first. Alrighty. Here it is, kind of. Let me get my wig on first of all. Alright, so as for the wig, here it is. It is 20, I want to say 26 or 24 inches, one of them. I totally forget, but it is in the description. This is how it's looking. Body wave. I love the texture that it comes in. The only thing is, like, when you wash it, it doesn't really turn like this, so I try to preserve it for as long as I can. I'm probably just gonna style like the very top of it, but I love the texture anyways. And it is a 5x5 HD lace. Here it is, and I did bleach the knots. I didn't pluck it yet because I wanted to do it on my head and also show you guys how I pluck. So yeah, it's HD lace, and that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna first put on a wig cap, and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna try to film as much of this process as I can, taking some got to be glued. I'm just gonna push my edges back in the front. The nice thing about closure wigs is that it doesn't take too long to do, and a lot of your hair isn't really touching any of the glue or any of the other products. All I have to worry about is just this part, and my forehead goes pretty back in the front, but in the sides it comes closer, so I don't have to worry about these. Just push it back. You can literally see my wig tan line. Oh my gosh. So I've already cleaned the area off with some alcohol. And for the wig cap, I'm actually not gonna glue it. I'm just gonna put it on like regular. I'm gonna leave these sideburns out because they don't need to be in. I'm gonna try to make it look as natural as possible, so I might have to take out some of my hair from the sides. Just like that. Just covering the hair in the front. Feels a little too tight. I might cut some from the sides. Whew. I don't want to get a headache. Yeah, much better. And then I'm going to take a darker foundation shade and just darken up the wig cap, especially this light band right here. We want that to blend with our skin. Just like that. And I might darken this, but not really needed. Literally like that, because that's all it's going to be showing. And if it blends in for the most part, you're good to go. Okay, so now I've hot combed the hair back, so there's nothing in our way. And let me cut this off. Let's put this on. Perfect. The color matched perfectly inside, for the most part. I see some, you don't want to see anything. Alright, so I just tested out, like I checked out the wig cap, and at first it was a bit too light, but now it matches perfectly. And if you can't see separation, then you are good to go. Now for the plucking, I'm not sure if I want to pluck that much because I want it to look like it's just coming right out of my head, and probably won't do any baby hairs. If I do add any baby hairs, they might be really, really light. So this is not too bad. Not that bad, but I might pluck it just a little bit. So let's do that. I hope you guys can see, but this is just the area that we have to pluck. And what I'm literally gonna do is just take a layer out like this, and then just pluck backwards. And don't stay in the same spot, just keep moving. Oh, and have like something bright under. I just have a towel. A lighter colored towel will always work better. And once I'm satisfied, I'll stop. Looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna go like this. I'll just touch it up. This side is already better than this right here, if you guys can see. And yeah, you just keep going like that. So if I wanted to pluck more, I can just take out another layer here and then pluck back. And just like that, you have a plucked hairline. And once I think that it's all good, I'm just gonna hot glue it one more time to make sure it's exactly how I like it. And that way you can also see the lines. That's good to go, so let's just go back to where we were. Now time to check again. Yeah, and that's much better. Looks plucked to me. But I might bring it lower. Yeah, something like that, because yeah, I might just do the no baby hair thing. And I think making the hairline lower looks better when you do no baby hairs. So, alright, so this looks pretty good to me. I'm just gonna make some marks exactly where I want the wig to start, I think. And to make this look a bit more realistic, I'm gonna bring it down on the sides more, so it's like a C shaped. That looks good. And I didn't put any foundation on the lace just because it's HD lace and not really needed. And sometimes it kind of looks better when you don't put any foundation on it. I can always tint it after, so that's fine. Oh, did I just get rid of my wig cap? Whoopsies. So I'm just gonna put about 2 to 3 layers of some Bold Hold Active and then glue everything back down. Alright, so the glue has cleared up, and I'm gonna line up the dots. 1 second. And I'm also pressing pretty hard while I do this. And I'm just gonna press it in to make sure it is all stuck. Great. Now I'll be using their melting band that they sent me as well. Pretty cute, kind of matches. And I'm gonna have this melted for about 5 minutes, and then we'll cut the lace. Ooh. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace with some scissors, if I can see well. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Clean this off, just the dots. Alright, looking pretty good so far, and this is like not even, there's no melting spray on this or anything, and it's looking really good. So I'm just gonna go close up in the mirror and see if I need to cut anything else, and then I'll be right back. It's looking pretty good, and I don't even think I need to tint anything, so that was a great move. I'm just gonna put some melting spray, Wig Dealer melting spray. I don't want to put too much. Like that. And we melt one more time. And yeah, I really think I'm going to keep it as a no baby hair look, because it's looking pretty good. Again, I'm thinking of doing a side. I was going to do like an off side, like not all the way in the middle, not all the way to the side, kind of like right here. So let's get to doing that. Starting from this side, I'm just going to start hot combing and using some wax just to make sure it's flat. Okay, I'm going to take this off just so I can see exactly where I want to hot comb it. Whoa. Looking pretty good, can't lie. This is kind of where I wanted the off part, but not all the way like this. Like this. Yeah. Yep. It's so nice how deep the part is. It makes it look more realistic. And I'm just going to push it down so it covers up the little side. Yeah, like that. Actually really cute. Okay. I haven't even really styled it, but now I'm like, do I have to style it? Because let me just brush it out before I talk. I'm actually really feeling how natural this is looking, like not perfect, which is so nice. And all I see is, I see a little bit of like a difference in color, so I'm just gonna, like I didn't put any product, but this is what I use to apply my foundation shade. So I'm just gonna lightly tap around the edges. And that's pretty much it. I am also thinking of adding a little bit of edges here because I don't know what this little thread is. It's from the wig. Might have to take this little bit right here, like really small, because I didn't even want baby hairs on this. And I'm just gonna gel it, not even loose it. It's the smallest. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Okay, I'll go like that, whatever. Yeah, that's fine. And the part, maybe I'll make it a little thicker. Yeah, better. Much better. Okay, now for styling. So far it's pretty good, but just gonna touch up the front pieces in bigger sections. And this is my Hot Shot Tools curling iron, and I believe it's a 1 1¼ inch barrel. Believe so. Okay, that one looks good. It blends in with the waves, and like this section right here as well. That works. Oh, I love, right? And I'm trying to think if I want to add anything else, because the point was to make this look really natural. And I think I've accomplished that. Yeah. I'm feeling this, and my hair is right here, my natural hair. Like the little pieces I took out right there, so it still looks pretty natural. And I think this is the final look. Just add some mousse. I love it. I need to do this more often. This is so easy and perfect for like an everyday type of look. Looks like just my hair, like I grew with these inches when I really didn't. And you see how you have to bring the hairline a little lower when you're doing no baby hair, so then it kind of looks normal. But if I were to do it from the back, it would have made my forehead look even bigger. Anyways, I love this. So cute. Alright, so that is it for this install. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and comment below what other type of video you would like to see, or if you have any questions. Yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe so you don't miss out on my videos. And enough of me talking, I will see you guys in my next video.